Hi friends, this is at the rate @ioldmonk and today I am with the smartphone by Micromax under the title with the new subsidiary name of U, which the model is Eureka. So the phone is for 899. It is available in the market with only on Amazon. It comes with the 4G LTE 615 Snapdragon processor and 2 GB RAM, 13 megapixel rear camera, front camera is 5 megapixel. So this is the full review of the smartphone. So let me go through it and tell you what comes in the smartphone. We like the camera. The front camera is good. Let me show the. This is a front camera. Front camera is good. It works well. In low light also performance is good. And as it comes with the Cyanogen mod, it has the same. Let me show you. The camera is same. It is running on Android 4.4.4 KitKat and with the Cyanogen mod over it. So what is Cyanogen mod? For many people they don't know. Let me go and show you. So Cyanogen mod is a community where people used to build kernels and custom ROMs. So as you can see that this is Cyanogen mod OS 11.0, the similar OS which is running on OnePlus One. So Cyanogen mod comes in India with the Eureka branding. Already OnePlus One has entered, but still you can do the customization as the Micromax has promised. You can have the service on your home. The sound quality of the smartphone is good. The battery comes with the 2500 milliampere, which performs well. The voice quality is good. It doesn't drop. It is a dual SIM smartphone, so both of the SIM works well. And let me take you to the competitor of it. So this is another competitor of Eureka. This is Xiaomi Note 4 and the Xiaomi Note 4G version. This is Eureka. Let me go through the body and design first. So the difference is that this is little heavy, this is light. It comes with the polycarbonate at the back. It comes with the moonstone finish at the back. The camera is both same, 13 megapixel with LED flash. I don't find little difference, but Xiaomi gives a better crispy camera. But in the front it has 5 megapixel both. But I am impressed with the Eureka's camera. I don't know why, but I like that. And other than that, in the top you can see that both has the 3.5mm jack at the top, and in the bottom it has the micro USB charging slot. This is a single SIM, whereas Eureka is the dual SIM. And Eureka comes with the Snapdragon 615, which is new processor, whereas it is coming with the Snapdragon 400, which is a little bit older. So let me go through the settings first and show you about the product. So as you can see that it is running on quad core 1.6. It has the same 2 GB RAM and it has 8 GB internal storage, whereas it is having the 16 GB internal storage. Little bit better than that in terms. It is running on custom MIUI, and whereas it is running on Cyanogen mod, so which is a big difference, I guess. In personal opinion, I like the Cyanogen mod more, and I don't know that how they will give the themes and everything. Already the theme community is built. They have started something which is also there in MIUI. As you can see that here are the themes where you can get the themes whatever you want. And let me go and show you the test performance of the smartphones. So These are the Antanu scores. You can see that clearly. Eureka is beating it. Eureka is 31968, whereas it is 2207. So more the score, better that. And you can see that Redmi Note is already in the down. So no doubt that Redmi Note is not a huge hit, and I can say that. Let me show you the quadrant score also. This is the quadrant score. Okay, so in quadrant score also it is 17640, whereas this one is 11614. So as you can see that Eureka is beating this on the top notch. It is 1000 lesser than this. It comes with a better processor, and one thing more before I forget, that it comes with a 32-bit processor. This is running on 64-bit processor, so this will be a little advantage for it.